Dubai Hills Estate Park, and welcome to my walkthrough here at the beginning of August of Emar's major community here in the heart of the city. And Dubai Hills Estate, as you may or may not know, is not just apartments, townhouses and villas, also golf course mansions, but we've also got the 18-hole golf course. We've got lots of restaurants and shops, and for us residents, we love the mall, Dubai Hills Estate Mall. So you definitely need to be coming to check out this mall. If you're a tourist watching this video and you always go to, like, you know, the well-known malls, try the Dubai Hills Estate Mall. We all love it. It's really new. Emar does their malls so well. Anyway, let's turn around the camera because I'm just really doing a walkthrough of this park. I actually bring my 6-year-old nephew here because it is just an incredible place. Look at all these kids play areas, cricket grounds. There's a lot of building going on right now. Just at the end, right down the end there, you've got, that's the direction towards the Dubai Hills Estate Mall. And then as we walk here, you've got this track, which obviously is a running track, more construction, and all these properties sold at launch. So if you're purchasing properties, then you're always purchasing on the resale. And how does that work? So there's a couple of ways you can buy property in Dubai. So you either buy at launch, which means you're the initial owner, you're buying on a payment plan over 3 to 4 years, you're paying, there's no fees involved, you're buying it, the only thing you have to pay is a stamp duty. If you're buying from another owner, then that could still be off plan, you're taking over their payment plan essentially, but you're now having to pay them a premium or a profit. So, and of course, you know, I even did that with my property that I bought, and you still can do very, very well as long as you know which properties to buy, which communities are the ones in demand and which aren't. And of course, you know, that's why you need to speak to a trusted realtor who knows the area and the city so that they can actually tell you where the demand is, because it's all very well seeing some of these glossy brochures and, you know, in the airports and planes, etc., that do shows around the world, but you never actually know if those are the ones in demand and if those are the ones that are actually resellable fast, or whether, you know, in fact you're going to be holding on to a unit for many years unable to sell it on. So always work with a trusted realtor. So just taking you along with my evening power walk. Sorry if I'm out of breath. This is actually just such a lovely area. It's my favorite park in Dubai because, you know, it's got the most greenery, and we all, of course, living in a you know, a hotter climate like this, we are always looking for the green areas, but you've got so many great kiddies parks. Let's just take you over there, because you might be sitting here watching from Europe or wherever you are in the world and wanting to know, you know, it's all very well buying a house, but you're not just buying a house. You're buying into a community, right? You're buying the facilities, the amenities. Can you walk your dog? This is a really nice kids park. I mean, there's so many kids parks inside Dubai Hills Estate. All of this around the park, they're all apartments, so there's no villas. So you would have to get into your car if you live in a villa or a townhouse if you wanted to come to the park, unless your kids are older, and then potentially you might let them cycle here. It's not dangerous to cycle here, but there is a main road to cross, and a lot of people don't want their kids crossing that road on their own on bikes. So here we have it. It's really nice. There you have it. You can see what a lovely, lovely area. So there are also townhouses and villas in Dubai Hills Estate, and if you want some more details on what's on the market, then look at the description below in this video and you will see the latest prices. You can get a townhouse, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, or a clubhouse villa, or, you know, something like a Fairways mansion, or if you're looking for something uber glamorous, or potentially you want to buy a plot to build your own mansion, then I've also got access to those. So we've got lots of properties here, but really to get a townhouse or above, you're looking at a starting price budget of 4.95 million dirham, which is about 1 million UK pounds, to enter into the market here in Dubai Hills Estate if you wanted a townhouse or larger. For apartments, that's a different market. I'm not actually working on the apartments market because right now the demand is for townhouses and villas. So would love to help you if you're looking for townhouses or villas. Now, if you're not looking for that budget, but you want a townhouse, then of course I have properties in other areas that are at a cheaper price. But anyway, from me to you, thank you so much for watching my video as always, and I'll see you very soon. My details are below in the description.